taking apart my Holly 4150 double pumper carb. I had it on my Mustang before, and I had a cheap Mr. Gasket chrome plated fuel filter on there. And one day I was out driving around, and then the idle started getting worse and worse, and it would not idle at all unless I kept my foot on the gas. So I took it home, I pulled that filter off, and I had only had it on there, I don't know, a month or two, not very long at all. And it rattled when I took it off, and I dumped all this, fuel out of it, and then a bunch of crud came out. Let me see if I can put a picture in here to show you. So then I took off my my fuel line here. It feels like little pieces of plastic. So somehow the fuel filter disintegrated and got all inside my carb. So now I got to take this thing apart. I'll tell you what, I am struggling to get the fuel blows off and the metering blocks. This is the inside. It doesn't look too bad in there. I am getting a lot of junk coming out of these bowls, so look at all that stuff. So these are just really stuck on there. I don't remember if I replaced these gaskets, man, with the blue ones or not. They do stay in one piece, which is really nice, but I guess because this carburetor's just been sitting for so long, they're just stuck on there like glue. Man, it just does not want to come off. But I took the needles out, the jets out, and I didn't find anything in there. So let me just scrub everything down, and then I'll bring up my compressor and just blow through any little orifice I can. Putting it back together, I had such trouble getting the metering blocks off and the fuel bowls that I put a light coat of cooking spray on the gasket. So I read that's a good thing to do if you think you're going to have to take them back off. When I originally got the carburetor, I had to swap out the jets and the power valve. I had such low vacuum that I wasn't getting enough fuel in there. It was running really lean. Backfiring a lot, so I changed the power valve. This is a 6.5, that's what came with it. I had put a 4.5 in there, and it definitely ran a lot better, but I was just, putting a big band-aid on the huge problem. And I'm back to 66 jets in the primary. I had put 70s in there to get it running right. It's every single time I've taken this off, without fail, I forget to put this underneath of there. Now there's only 2 gaskets on each side, and you can tell easily which way they go because of this hole right here. So you just line up this hole in the bottom with this hole in the bottom, that way you know. The other gasket is the same, left and right. There's no difference. And they fit on these pins, so it's pretty easy. Like that. And this goes to the other side just like that with the hole we want. So I like doing this together like this because now I need to concentrate on getting this over here. So it takes a little bit of finagling around. Yeah, I think that's on. Doesn't slide around. You don't need to be tight at all, just tighten off so the gas doesn't leak out. You see, it fell out already. Look at that. There we go. Maybe it's not quite lined up perfectly, but that's just the way it is. That's it. So there we go. Fix it a little bit. There we go. All right. I feel like Shaquille O'Neal with this big, huge, big hands. Just a little wrench. Just using the lightest pressure on there. Some little needle seat goes in there first. Okay.